Hi everyone, I am Leigh Ramirez here at RV Select, and today we are going to check out this 2025 Tiffin Zephyr 45 AC. This coach only has 17,000 miles for $644,400. Let's check it out.
This coach has the 605 Cummins on a Freightliner chassis with the 12.5 09 Cummins generator with the side radiator.
So here we have super large electric radiator seating with the console here for storage of your remotes. Also, check out this integrated LED lighting throughout the coach. Very beautiful. They have it behind the crown molding here. Also, the very large windows. That's an upgraded feature you get when you get the Tiffin Zephyr. All electric shades, day and night, of course. You also have an extra large booth for dining. Check out this beautiful ceiling with the integrated LED lighting with the mirrored trim all the way around. They put this throughout the whole entire coach. Very beautiful detail. Also, moving along to the kitchen, you have your dishwasher with your induction cooktop. Also, very beautiful backsplash here with your window. Very European style cabinets throughout the coach. Same style cabinets with your ice maker and your water in the door, the refrigerator. Also, you have a wine cooler here with your pantry with LED lighting, motion sensor. Now this coach does have your Spider Control multiplex system with the 10-inch screen here to control your entire coach. You also have paneling throughout the coach as well for easy access to control everything. Also, I wanted to touch on this real leather wall here. Very nice detail touch that they have added here. Also, you have your half bath with very beautiful backsplash, very large mirrors there. Moving in here to your master bedroom, you do get a king size sleep number on the tilted view bed. This is a very nice pillow top mattress here. Also, you get a very large LED TV, smart TV with your fireplace. I do love the windows here. Also, moving in here to your master bath, you have your dual vanities with storage behind all of your large mirrors. Also, check out this beautiful tile on the shower. And with this Zephyr, you get your emergency egress door right here behind your toilet for in case of an emergencies. You also get another macerator on this toilet as well. Moving forward, you do get in the very rear a full-size closet. You get cubby spaces for your shoes, also a safe at the very top. Your stackable washer and dryer in the rear. If you like this coach or interested in another motorhome, call today 601-642-4772 and ask for Leigh. If you like content like this, don't forget to like, comment, and follow. This coach does have your driver and your passenger seat with your massage, your heating, and your AC. Also up front, you have your air leveling, your power window, and your jacks that you can control. Come see us today.